Dear students, class 10th, in the previous class we have discussed the theoretical part of refraction of light. In that definitions, deviations, we have discussed all. Today we'll come to the numerical problems of exercise 4A, page number 82 in your book. Numericals. The speed of the light in air is 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second. See, they have given 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second. Calculate the speed of light in glass. Glass we have to calculate. Refractive index of glass is 1.5. Mu they have given 1.5. Mu they have given 1.5. So first of all we have noted the given values. C 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second, V question mark, and refractive index 1.5. Mu g is equal to speed of light in air upon velocity. So we have substituted the value 1.5, which is given into 10 power 8. Velocity we calculate in glass is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 1.5 is cancelled by 2. Here 1.5 to the 3. So it comes as 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. First question. Any doubt in this? Second question. The speed of light in diamond is 125,000 kilometer. The speed of light in diamond is 125 kilometer per second. Now this kilometer I have converted into meter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 125,000 into 1000 meter per second I have converted this speed. The speed of light in diamond is converted into meter per second. Velocity 1.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is given. Velocity, it can be written as the powers of 10 raised to the power 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.25 to 10 power 8 meter per second. The speed of light 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second. So mu is equal to C upon V. C की वैल्यू क्या होती है बच्चे लोगों? 3 to 10 power 8 यानी 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second over 1.25 to 10 power 8. When we will divide it, it comes as 2.4. So speed of light in diamond, or it is mu of diamond, mu of diamond is 2.4. When I divided this, it comes as 2.4. Once again, 125 kilometer per second. Kilometer I have converted into meter per second by multiplying it by 1000. So in the powers of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Mu is equal to C upon V. This formula we have to learn. Learn this formula. Mu is equal to C upon V. 3 to 10 power 8. 3 into 10 power 8 upon 1.25. 10 power 8 cancelled. It comes as 2.4. Now question number 3. Refractive index of water with respect to air is 4/3. They have given refractive index of water with respect to air, A mu W 4/3 given. What is the refractive index of air with respect to water? Opposite they have asked. Refractive index of air with respect to water. By the principle of reversibility, A mu A into A mu W is equal to 1. By the principle of reversibility, when we multiply both, it becomes 1. W mu A into 4/3 is equal to 1. So W mu A is equal to 3/4 or 0.75. When we will multiply W mu A or A mu W, it comes as 1 because it follows the path of reversibility. And W mu A 4 by 3 is equal to 1. So by cross multiplying, W mu is equal to 3 by 4 into 1, it comes as 0.75. Answer, please check. Fourth numerical, a ray of light of wavelength 5800 angstrom. We know that 1 angstrom, or it may remain into angstrom only, don't convert into meter. They have given ray of light of wavelength 5400 angstrom suffers refraction from air to glass. Air to glass means refractive index of glass with respect to air. In this, lambda A upon lambda G. Lambda is the wavelength of A upon wavelength of glass. A mu G. Formula, you just see this carefully. This formula, how we read it, A mu G, refractive index of glass with respect to air. Lambda A, wavelength of A. Lambda G, A means air, and this is in glass. A mu G 3 by 2, it is given. All these are given values. Now A mu G is equal to 5400 angstrom upon lambda G. Lambda G cross multiplying will get cross multiplying we get 54,000 into 2 by 3. 3 to cancel it one time, carry over true. 3 8 24, 0 0, 18 2 36. So it comes as 3600 angstrom. Answer. Is it clear? Multiple choice of questions, they have given the answers. Multiple choice questions, these are just see carefully, these are 4 numericals. See carefully, 4 numericals and their solution. Note down in your fair copies. If we come to the theory part in the exercise, they have given answers to the questions all. If any question you won't be able to answer, like this, how does the refractive index of medium depend on temperature? Refractive index decreases with the increase in temperature of the medium. This we have discussed in theory part. All these questions I can see they have given answers maximum. If any question you find difficult or the answer you cannot understand, you may ask. Clear? And like this 2016 they have asked, a boy uses blue color of light to find the refractive index of glass. He then represents the experiment using the red color of light. Will the refractive index be same, different in two cases? Give a reason to support your answer. Refractive index will be different. Reason, the speed of blue light in glass is less than the red light, and the refractive index of glass is mu is equal to speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. Like these questions they have given. For which color of, question number 16, for which color of white light is the refractive index of transparent medium? The least, the most. Least, for which color white light the refractive index is least? Least for the red and most for the violet, because most deviation for the deviation, in the deviation case, violet deviates the more and red deviates the least. Which color of light travels faster in any medium except air? Any medium except air, red color. So although all the answers they have given, so go through it. If you won't be able to, then ask question on my personal number. Clear? Question number 20. Light of single color is passed through the liquid having a piece of glass suspended in it. On changing the temperature of liquid at a particular temperature of the glass piece is not seen. When is the glass piece not seen? The glass piece not seen when the refractive index of liquid becomes equal to the refractive index of glass. These cases are used in forensic sciences. Forensic sciences to verify that the glass pieces are same which the robber have and the bank glass window has. Second, why the light of single color used? The light of single color used because the refractive index of medium, glass or liquid is different for different colors. Clear? These I have taken few theory questions also in front of you. These are the numericals. Go through it, and each and every theory questions also you go through it. Try to answer it. You won't be able to. Then you ask me on my personal number. Thank you, class. We'll discuss later on.